Definition. Contract manufacturing is when a contract manufacturer enters an agreement with another company to make certain components or product over a specific period of time. Recognized as a form of outsourcing, a contract working agreement manufacturer may enter a business agreement with a company to produce part, component, or whole product for the company to their specification. The manufactured products are then used by the company in its own manufacturing process or they complete their own products.
I will explain about contract manufacturing. First, business agreement where one company pay another to provide the necessary component to assemble finished goods. Second, contract manufacturers are third-party providers. Most only work as subcontractor or sell their product to other business. Unless a contract manufacturer will reach out to one with a design and get a quote for the process, labor, tooling and materials.
Military contract manufacturing. Sometimes we call it as defense contracting. It's a type of contract manufacturing completed exclusively by government-approved companies. These companies produce items for the military such as weapons, body armor, aircraft and shelters. To supplement their income when not working for the government, military contract manufacturers also take on large number of non-governmental companies. The second one is aerospace contract manufacturing. It's a contract manufacturing field that produce parts and products such as helicopters, jets, airplanes and unmanned aircraft. Depending on their customer, they also have to make products to very strict standards.
For the advantage, economy of scale, contract manufacturing help in minimizing the cost of production for the company. Under this, the company does not manufacture in product itself, rather the production activities are outsourced to other manufacturer. Number 2 is more focus on selling activity. Contract manufacturer help companies in paying attention to function area. Selling of product is important task for the business. It needs to face stock competition in market to survive. Companies stop outsourcing of its production activities, get more time and focus this. Number 3, quality product. Under contract manufacturing, contracts are not manufactured by the company itself. Company basically outsource their production activities to contract manufacturer. These manufacturers are highly skilled and expert in production activities. Number 4, saving costs. Contract manufacturing help the companies in saving hard capital required for setting up the production process. Companies are not required to invest a large amount in production plants and several other types of equipment. It saves the company cost of labor involved in paying wage and training. Thus, the companies outsource their production activities to low-cost countries. The last one is easy entry in market. There are various trade barriers in many countries to perform business there. Companies cannot enter and sell their production there. Under contract manufacturing, it's become easy to companies to enter into different countries. They give the contract to the manufacturer in different countries production their product. It helps to entering different market.
Okay guys, the disadvantage for the non-equity based mode of entry for contract manufacturing. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, first, loss of control. Second, time delay. Third, loss of flexibility. 4, loss of quality. And the last one, complaints.